Hello, dear Libra. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Before we begin our reading, I request you all, as usual, to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that, Libra. Yeah, let's ready. Let's begin our reading for the month of December 2020. Is the last month now. Finally, okay. And I am seeing, wow, so many wonderful cards here for you, Libra. I have the Sun card, which is the most auspicious card this month for you, Libra. So the sun is bringing some new sunlight for you. It is making you to shine because there is an Ace of Cups card also this month. Yeah. So these two cards, adjoin are are telling me that yes, there is a going to be a new beginning, there is going to be new prospects, lot of new things are going to happen, lot of no you will get opportunity, you will get an opportunity to improve yourself, to express express your skills also, and these opportunities will bring some highly potential prospects in your career side, on your career side. Yes, Libra. So this is actually a very good time if you are looking for your business growth also. These kind of potential opportunities actually coming your way now, and the things are moving out very positively. So a very right time for investments again. And with Knight of Wands, you are also going to get this energy to perform with and to achieve your task, to be more assertive with this Knight of Wands energy, actually giving you this assertive power to perform. Because yes, this is the time where you shouldn't be just simply looking and waiting, or coming your way. I mean, you shouldn't be simply holding yourself. This is the time for you to perform now, Libra. So make really good advantage of this time, because whatever you do, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are planning, definitely will give you good results, not just now, but this will also set a path for your future as well. So even if you are looking for some job change, yes, here is a time that you will be having good opportunities coming your way, which will open higher prospects in your career. Okay, so yes, all in all, I say really an excellent time when it comes to your career side, because this is the time which is whatever the growth that you are looking for will come your way, and this is going to set your career. This is no yeah, for a long time, actually for a long term. You see that yes, this is now I can perform and I can achieve my goals. So this is what these opportunities, these kind of opportunities will I'm seeing coming your way, dear Libra. Yeah. So that's really a powerful month for you, Libra, again. And if I have to see you on your in your love life, in your family friend, or on your emotional side, yes, all these things what are directing is there are kind of sudden things happening this month, which things which you have to assess the situations very carefully, because these that you find sudden turns, sudden situation cropping up in your on your emotional side, on your family side, or in your love life, for which you have to address very carefully. Don't panic, or no don't simply get aggressive to it. You have to be little patient, you have to be little careful about it. Yeah, be cautious about it. So think before whatever you are, no, before you actually respond to it. Don't just simply react, you need to respond to it. So no, take some time, think about it. Don't become aggressive and start behaving the same way. Okay, so think about it. Probably you or this second thought, yeah, when you are giving this second thought, then you might feel that yeah, actually this your response, or your reaction is not at all required. So things will definitely then start improving. So this magician card is there this month for you. Archangel Raziel with the magician card is giving you that power that yes, there are possibilities, sorry, there is giving you that power to turn the negative situation also into positive. Yeah. So you have the power now to manifest the way you want to. So life, you will then see the magical outcomes from your relationships coming way. If not, then there is also a warning here, dear Libra. Five of air. Yeah, there is a warning here that you may end up making some unwise choices, unwise decisions, because of this situation, this sudden situation that is going to evolve all of a sudden. So here there is a warning. Otherwise, you see, if not, because you have the power, you, this magician card is giving you the power to manifest this situation also in your favor. So try doing that, Libra. I would say yes, starting from today, make a point that you are not going to react to any situation immediately. You are going to take a moment, you are going to take even or no, you may not react also actually. So don't hesitate, don't just simply think that you always have to be like that. No, see, you may not react also, so you may just have to respond to the situation, even if you have to give up for that moment, as if will be is going to be in your favor. So yes, so just try to understand these things with the magician in your card. So you have to be little bit tricky, and you shouldn't be straightforward. Okay, so you shouldn't be just simply thinking straight, that way. Okay, so make manifest, actually think about what you want and manifest things that way. Yeah, so that is very important. That is what these cards are guiding us this month, for you, Libra. And I have your, wow, that is again such an energy card, which is such a powerful card again for you, Libra. The temple part, see, that's such a beautiful part, isn't it? The serene is so beautiful, so calming. Yeah. So this card again indicating me that some life changing events are going to happen, which is going to give you some kind of, the an upheaval in your career or upheaval in your life actually. So if you were seeking for all these things, then this is the time. This path is, this energy card is saying that, yeah, there you will also find an upheaval in your spiritual life. Okay, so no a better vision actually which is coming your way here, and you are going to be direct guided by your ancestors, by your angel spirit guides also. So the guidance is also coming here for you. You have to, all you have to do is you have to take a pause, think about it, and see for the changes around, see for the these things, these kind of possibilities around you, and based on this you have to respond, not react, respond, Libra. uh, uh, okay, so cool. Yeah, I have your angelic guidance here, angelic card, and the angels are asking you to be assertive. Wow. So all we were talking the same things as that time, and the card also says this situation can be healed gently and with love as you have requested. Yet there is also a need for your strength and truthfulness with the other people involved. We will stand right behind you as you speak your truth, giving you strength and guiding your words. See, this is again such an on spot message from the angels, isn't it, dear uh, Librans? Yeah. So the angels, whatever we have discussed till now, and the same message is from the angels who saying that yes, this the situation can be healed gently. You shouldn't be, no, you shouldn't be reacting to it. So you actually has to manifest. The same thing is mentioned here, that with your strength and truthfulness, the angels support is coming your way. Okay, so may good use of this. So with this, yeah, I see, yes, lot of life changing things, events are, at least one or two will happen. See, for you, dear Libra. Okay. Yeah, so all in all, I see, yes, the only thing what I would again repeat is you shouldn't be reacting, you should be responding to the situations, especially when it comes to relationship. Okay, I then wind up this reading for you this month, Librans. I'll see you again in the next coming month, coming year. Okay, till then, I wish you good luck. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.